Sweet. So the first part of the GoPro didn't record, which is a little bit annoying. I realised when I went to go check the camera was on and realised it wasn't, so we pulled it in. Camera's now on. So we are heading over to Brecon Beacons. We are currently, we just stopped at Seven's, I think it's Seven Springs pub, just outside West Oxford. I think it might be Gloucester now. We're in, or that way anyway, going through the Cotswolds. Yeah, so not too bad. Weather's been alright so far, warm. It's meant to be a bit hit and miss tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, but it shouldn't be too bad. We've got waterproof, so just gotta hope for the best, basically. We got Max is in front on his 125, his Honda Varadero 125. We've got in front of him, got Tricky, he's on 390 Duke, and leading the way is Thomas, he's on Bandit 600, and I'm on the Duke as well, so not too bad at all. I've done about, let's have a look at the thing here, 32 miles so far since leaving, not too bad. We didn't actually plan to pull in as early as we did, but like I said, the camera wasn't working and we missed out a load of the way here basically, but we can only use the tools we're given. So that didn't work, so we had to start it again, but never mind. It's not going to take us ages to get there. I think it was only like, well, I can't remember the mileage, but they said it was going to take about 3.5 hours. We must have been riding for about half hour or so, I'd say. So yeah, but yeah, should be a few good days ahead of camping and exploring. We're going to head up from Brecon Beacons to Snowdon, and then we're going to head from there to the Shropshire Hills for a bit more camping. So stay tuned guys, it should be an eventful couple of days, but yeah, we'll catch up in a minute when we get towards Wales. He went the right way round the roundabout and we went the wrong way. Now we can't seem to find him. He's got to have pulled in somewhere. There was a lay-by back there. I thought he would have stopped there. That's why I'm a little bit confused. Thomas, where are you? There's the first sign for Monmouth. Yeah, boy, 23 miles. That's the way we're going in. That means we're on the right track. We have lost Tom still. No idea where that guy's gone. You see him yet?
Yeah, I might be in there.
Is it?
It is.
There he is. Where'd you go?
Yeah, I went the right way, you lot went the wrong way.
Yeah, but then we spun round.
Yeah, and I spun round to catch you back up. And then we spun round again.
You loving it?
Loving it. And I see you up at the roundabout up here, and I went, oh, catch him up. I thought you went round it again.
Oh, well, did you spin back round again then?
Yeah.
Oh,
went
right.
back up to the next roundabout and went, oh, bollocks, I must go straight round.
But it's pretty steep, which is, the video probably doesn't do it justice, but it is pretty steep. I'll tell you that for free. Anything else you want to know is going to cost you. We're just hitting village after village at the moment, and it's pretty nice, to be honest. Nice scenic route. I have no idea where this thing's taking me. It's taking me through the town. I didn't even know whether we were allowed to turn right, left there even, but it looked like we were. Now we're doing a lefty right. A little lefty right. definitely tell we're in Wales now with the size of these roads in the little towns. Oh man. Well, this is busy. Don't know. This must be Monmouth. Is it? What's the sat nav? So this Mono Street, but I thought it was maybe Monmouth, but I don't know. Who knows? I'll add it in on the video at the bottom where it is. I can Google what street we're in. Nice little town there. It's very busy. This must be their high street, surely. Castle or something over there. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get it in sight again on the camera. That's annoying. Ah, it's starting to rain again. No, not the rain. Glanusk Estate. Is that what the castle place was? Must have been. I don't mind it raining once the tent's up. But ideally not now. Because I haven't got any of my waterproof stuff on anything. Apart from my phone, that should be alright. I have got a waterproof cover for the tank bag and would have liked to put that on, but never mind. Yeah, it's definitely rain, boys and girls. Let me just wipe this so you can see. There we go. Looks like it's going to be more than a shower. This is not good. Fucking hell. Yeah, that is bucketing down now. Not good at all. This is not good. Honestly, I am... This jacket definitely is not waterproof. You just got to laugh it off. There's no point working yourself up over a bit of rain. So much for being in sunny Wales. Fuck man, I'm going to pull in I think, put my waterproofs on. Oh, this is not good. Literally can't see shit. Sorted. This is fucking well bent, isn't it? Ready? It was pissing down for about 10 minutes or so, not too bad, but unfortunately drenched now, so not ideal. But we did expect a little bit of rain on the trip, and Yeah, we've been blessed and we've got what we expected. Where are we, Max? What are you saying?
It's all Brecon Beacons, isn't it, here?
I don't know, I thought we were in Aberlogan Benny.
Yeah, it's the bottom of the...
Yeah, we're not too far, we're like 20 odd miles away.
I don't have any numbers saved on this phone. I don't know if this is mine I have.
What's that mean? What's that mean going forward?
It means I'm not going to reply.
Oh yeah, slap it.
You always get me fucking...
Yeah. It's because you're a fat cunt. We've literally been on this track for about 2 miles at the moment. Very tight little road. We should nearly be there. Satnav literally says we are there basically. It's anywhere around here, but trying to find a good space to we might have to go exploring actually into the wild in a minute off the road, because we're not going to find anywhere down here. I'm just trying to find somewhere to pull in where all of us can kind of park for a minute and regroup and come up with some sort of a plan. Huh? No. No? Shit. That cloud's looking worrying. Yeah, it's a proper little windy. The road surface isn't too bad at all, but proper windy little road.
Heavy, didn't it?
Well, there's a massive because one hit me in the fucking eyeball.
Yeah, and
as it started, and I thought it was bird shit. I was like,
yeah, that's exactly.
Did you see me get scared? I was like, come through, right, and literally, like you said, massive thing, but it like shocked me and hit me in the face. I was like,
because I opened my visor when we stopped, and it was all inside my visor, so it felt like you didn't mile.
Lucky it was inside my glasses, outside my glasses, inside my visor, and outside my fucking visor.
Yeah, I couldn't see. I
went like that to wipe my visor. I still couldn't see shit.
Yeah, that's how I noticed it.
I was like, oh, bollocks, thank you.
And then it was come down that heavy, it was pointless putting waterproofs on.
Yeah, I was going to go, because they're on the side bit of my bag, my trousers, but I was like...
Did you see...
I lost the bread rolls?
No.
No, they're hanging on the back, man. They've been hanging there since, like, you left.
Shit, and my waterproofs?
Oh, at least the bread rolls are still there.
They've been like that, though, for a good probably 5 months now.
There's a...
Huh?
As we come through that little village, about 8 miles that way, there's a tattoo shop in the village.
What's that?
Really?
Yeah, it's called Twinkles and Ink.
Where, down here?
Yeah.
We're literally just down there?
Well, no, it's about 8 miles that way. I've dried off a little bit.
I have, but...
The gloves are still a bit wet.
I'd still like to be able to dry off a bit more.
Starting route to Brecon Beacons National Park.
I really hate mine
to the
is
route,
inside.
then
No,
turn
yours.
right.
Mine's
Mine's a waterproof. Yours is hanging out. Joking.
Put a fucking bag around it for me. I said it about 3 times.
I've got an extra bin bag here if you want one.
You might need it, you might need to throw it away.
All my clothes in my bag.
That'll be alright, wouldn't it? Yeah. people everywhere now. There's like a load of no people. Does that even make sense? A load of times when it was no one. That little happy fella. They look like happy guys. Hopefully the cloud goes right. Sheep in the way again. Honestly, they're literally everywhere. You taking them off, Tom? Yeah. On then.
I've got no pants on, you prick.
you got no pants on?
Definitely buying another set of boots while I come all those fucking things.
Max? Max is like, I'll have them.
They're a size smaller on him though.
What's that you would like? Your shorts dry?
Yeah, pretty much. But no, they're a bit wet there.
Yeah. That'll be weed stuff.
Yeah, I got it down the front. Look, looks like I'd fucking piss myself.
So right. It's the inside of my tent. A couple of beers and all my stuff. This is your tent, isn't it? They're not very roomy at all, are they?
Yeah, too sick.
What about them? They look rough.
What is
These people.
Red rolls.
Oh, comfy. That looks comfy. Are we allowed to camp here? Aren't we allowed to camp here?
Just don't look at it.
are you setting up or camp or decamping and going? Where
Depends why.
I'm going to be the bearer of bad news if you are camped, because I'm sorry about this, but we have a no camping policy on our common. I am sorry about this, boys. I'm going to have to ask you to decamp and move. I am actually going to have to definitely ask you to decamp and move, partly because we have a lot of problems here with wild camping. Secondly, because we're under a lot of pressure from the graziers up here, the commoners. They are really hot on it, so we have to be seen to be keeping people on the move. So I know that gives you boys a headache this time of night, because you're going to have to find somewhere else to go, aren't you? But I really can't let you stay up here, I'm afraid.
Where can we go?
There's a campsite in Brecon. Do you know Brynich?
No.
I can show you where that is.
No, we're from England.
Right, yeah.
So we got no.
That's
It
okay.
just started pissing down, so we just pulled up and.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, was it really? Was it
Yeah.
down there?
Yeah.
Oh, fair play.
All our stuff's hung up.
Oh, right, I'm with you. Okay. Oh, that's an even bigger ball ache. Sorry, boys. I'm sorry about that. I am really sorry. I do get it. I appreciate it. It's not convenient and it's a pain in the arse and all that, but I've already had about 8 phone calls already. See.
What about us?
Yeah.
You're joking?
No, I'm serious. I've had, like, this is such a hot, you couldn't have chosen a more hot place inside to have a campsite, because we've had fires here, we've had lunatics. I'm not saying you boys
Yeah,
start
yeah.
firing
No,
everything,
no.
but because
We're good fellas.
it's such a sensitive site, I am really sorry. I can't allow you to stay here. Do you know what I mean?
Well, that's
You're not the first. I'm having to
Yeah,
move
yeah.
people on all the time, but I'm happy to show you alternative places. To
How
go.
far is it from here?
It's about a 5-minute drive, maybe a bit more. 5, 10.
The other
10 minutes. tops.
potential issue is, can we borrow your trailer?
You could do. I could drive with you and drop the stuff off. Yeah, if that
We've
helps.
had a couple.
Yeah.
Because we've had a couple of beers as well.
Yeah, for each bike.
Oh shit! Oh, that's even more of a problem, isn't it? Yeah. What were you thinking of trailers for then? The vehicles, the motorbikes?
Yeah. Take the bikes down every day.
Oh, no, I don't know if
We
I can
just
do
skip
that.
down the road.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a bit of a problem, isn't it? Hmm.
What if
we
you
promise
just
to tidy up and be out of here like early doors?
Keep it quiet.
honestly, we've even got a rubbish bag hanging off that tent, so we weren't planning on leaving anything.
Do you know, I hadn't thought about the fact, you know, yeah, and obviously if you've had a drink, like, you
Yeah.
can't drive, can you? That's a very good point. Well done for being honest about that one. Fair play. I wouldn't want to push you onto the road if you've, do you know what I mean?
If it's illegal
Because
and
that's
stuff.
illegal, do you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Yeah, I'll tell you what, do you boys mind if I just take, like, some sort of details then? So if there's any comeback, I can actually say.
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
So I mean, for me, if I
literally
just
be gone
take,
first thing and
like, if I just took, like, your reg plates would do it, to be honest, because the way everything is these
So
days.
mine's the wrong one. No, it's not really.
Is it?
No.
So you're being too honest now. Yeah. Right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll go with this because obviously you can't move then. All right. Okay. We'll go with this. But
Will there be a fine incurred if you're taking our registration plates?
No, it'd be literally just for reference. So like, say I come back and this site is trashed. That's just I have a reference.
We won't do that.
Yeah, I know, but that's
Guarantee
all it is. No, but I'm not
Yeah,
saying
you've probably
you
been told
will,
that before. Yeah.
but guarantee, like, you're trusting me, it's happened many
Yeah,
times.
no, I can
But
understand.
if you see this just as my insurance policy,
No,
more than
that's
anything
fine,
else,
yeah.
I won't take any of your photos of your faces or anything. It's just number plates, because that's how I know that's it's the best. Different with off-roaders, I know, because they're never legal. But with road legal bikes, then.
He's really looking at that. The bloody pigeons.
Let's enjoy the bag out.
Yeah. Is that road legal that small? That's amazing. Yeah. Can you get away from that small? Oh,
It's the same size as yours, isn't it?
Is it really? Oh, that's amazing, isn't it?
I don't know if
that
it's
to be a
legal.
certain sort. Oh, right, yeah. Because I know they're quite hot on that, aren't they? But you'd know
digits
straight
on
away,
it.
wouldn't you? Okay, right. So the other big issues then, obviously, yeah. I don't think they're going to be noisy and noise and disturbance. Try and keep that to a minimum.
Yeah.
So try and keep yourself really tidy.
Yeah.
So now at least if someone stops and starts giving you shit, you can go, we've been told, but we didn't know, we're all too pissed to drive, so it's too late now.
Yeah.
Sort of thing. Like, I mean, that is a reasonable excuse.
We promise we won't leave any mess.
Do you know
No.
what? It's a good plan for the future, isn't it?
Well,
I've never thought of that before.
we didn't realise we couldn't
Just turn
stop
up
here.
somewhere really quick and have a couple of I can't move now.
Yeah, but to be fair, it could have been a lot worse, because if you Yeah, you could get different kind of people, can't you? At least you're pretty spot on.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, if you were being nuts,
Yeah.
is that what you mean? What if I came here and found you guys being off your heads? Like,
Yeah, running around
yeah, well,
naked and
if
stuff,
you were
yeah.
being something, I'll just
Well,
phone
that's later.
police. I just I'll go like ASB, like these boys are clean off. I've asked them to leave, and they've said no. I mean, and then they're actually trashing the place. But if you're really tired, it's okay.
Yeah.
So the other thing, then, the big thing for us would be toilets. So obviously, if you're here, you're going to need to go to toilets.
Yeah.
Now, when you are sober again, there's a mountain centre, which is just opposite the centre, just on the other side of the common. So yeah, you're not. Yeah, I know it's like they're on bikes as well. If it starts chucking it down, it's a nightmare, isn't it?
Yeah.
We were all right all the way up until about the last 15 miles or something,
It's not fun,
and it
is
just
it?
literally hammered down. We
It's
were
not
like,
fun. The worry is you're going to drop your bike, innit? If you get a little
Yeah,
surface
yeah,
water, you don't.
I've never been about 3 times.
he's a new
It's the
rider.
wisest I never did.
Oh no.
But the raindrops are coming down the size of the helmet. And they killed us.
Yeah, you just don't want it, do you?
Yeah.
There we go, awesome. Alright then, guys. I appreciate that.
Thanks, Richard.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice evening. Enjoy your holiday, break, whatever it is you're doing. Alright.
you.
Thanks for
we'll,
being
guys.
Yeah, we'll keep it nice and tidy for you. Doesn't mean I'm a chef.
It's got chef in the name.
Max is doing these sausages. Go on, Max.
Just let it fine, it's not very
I
hygienic.
know, but go on.
You're the only one not smoking.
I know, but I've got to hold the
I'll
camera.
hold the camera.
I'm the camera guy, aren't I?
I'll hold the
Go on
camera.
then.
I'll show you.
Imagine the footage.
Put my finger in the way like
I just turned it.
Nice sausages.
They're about to fall off.
Do you reckon that guy will be back?
Yeah, probably.
Most probably, yeah.
Dick in his hand.
Yeah, Max's engine in the other. Yeah, he was odd, wasn't he? Proper weirdo.
You know, you've got to watch those engines, they get milky.
Yeah.
Probably only goes milky because he dropped it in his bowl of cereal.
Shagging it, Dave. Just watch your engine.
The engine's on
Engine on that's probably the best thing about it. If we bought it,
34,500
No,
miles.
just watch it, don't go milky.
Yeah.
Just watch it, that's all.
what cc is that one?
Oh, it's only 125, is it?
Oh, is it? Big old thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Just watch the oil, that's all.
Yeah.
Innit?
Yeah, it's done us all right, to be fair.
Just watch the oil, that's all I need to say. Where do you buy it from, local or?
Yeah, well, near I live.
Bought off a lad in Swindon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But
Swindon.
he said it had 9 months MOT on it, and when he delivered it, the back brake was sea solid onto it.
Alright.
The front brake was for binding. The headlight was moving about. The indicators didn't work. It's like, how the fucking hell did he get that through an MOT?
It looks like you're a mechanic.
Well, we sorted it all out. Yeah, he had his MOT Saturday.
Oh, this Saturday, just gone.
Yeah, and it went straight through. So, but there's been a fair bit of work done to it since we bought it. Like.
Where do you service the bike, you know?
Oh, we do it ourselves.
Oh, you do it all yourself?
Yeah,
so.
yeah. They charge like £70 an hour.
Huh?
£70 an hour where we are
Where?
in Oxford.
Right.
For a mechanic to look at your bike, it's £70, at least £70 an hour. Yeah.
Bloody hell. How much do you reckon they charge around here? Look at this baby.
I'd say probably the same.
No.
£30 an hour?
Huh?
About £30 an hour?
No.
Cheaper.
Cheaper. Not cheaper. Which way are you going tomorrow?
Snowdonia.
We're up here tomorrow, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be going early in the morning. So do you work around here then?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you do?
Farmer.
How are you? We were thinking about kidnapping one of them fucking sheep earlier on. Thinking about barbecue. we couldn't catch him. We couldn't catch a little fucker.
Oh, you fucking wet now, or if it does rain then?
Oh mate, we got about 15 mile away from here and it absolutely fucking hammered down. That's why all our shit's hanging around the place trying to dry it out.
Yeah, shit.
Where do you rain? Where do you rain?
Between like
Just-
Abergavenny or
Yeah, Abergavenny and Brecon, is it?
Yeah.
The one
Yeah.
down here? Yeah. Oh fuck!
But the raindrops were like the fucking size of golf balls.
Yeah, I was second driving up to Makespace, and there was size of golf balls then.
Must be hard keeping track of your sheep up here.
Huh?
Must be hard keeping track of them up here.
Oh fuck yeah, it does. Goodness.
It'll be a full-time job for you.
If you hear me coming up a bit later on, you just see me.
That's alright.
I just spin up the room just to make sure everything's alright.
Yeah, no worries. We're early birds anyway. We'll probably be asleep.
Oh, you'll be up early in the fucking morning.
Yeah, we got to be moving early.
What time are you going to be moving?
We're on no time. We could take our time if we wanted to, but we'll probably be gone by 8 o'clock. I would have thought. Probably before, to be fair.
It's only got one cook, have you?
Yeah, that's enough between us.
Huh?
That's enough between us. Got enough gas. As long as we got a bacon and sausage sandwich tonight and a cup of coffee in the morning, we're happy as Larry.
A bloody good burger van down the road tomorrow. You'll be open about 9 o'clock.
Oh, perfect.
Your full English breakfast, whatever you want, boys.
Yes.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, we've already had Richard the Warden come past and give us a bit of a bollocking.
Why?
He just said we can't camp here, but we said we're pissed so we can't move on. He was like, fair enough. Oh jeez, we've only been here an hour and a half or something.
Yeah, not long.
Not long.
Oh yeah.
So we pitched your tents up, opened the beers up,
Yeah.
and then he turned up.
Just giving you a fucking warning then.
Yeah.
So you
He was
can't
basically
camp
saying, as long as you tidy up after yourselves, you don't make a mess, you don't make any noise, you don't shag any sheep, you'll be alright, you'll be fine to stay with.
yet. Ah well,
We couldn't promise him about the sheep thing.
we put you in the field and my mate is just on the road there, see?
Yeah.
Lucky you haven't had Brian Atley come over and see what the fuck is going on.
Will we be expecting him later than we?
Oh no, he wouldn't fucking come up around here.
Are you born and bred here then?
Oh, like,
It's a lovely place, isn't it?
oh fuck yeah. You'll be fucking praised how much this one can carry.
What's that?
You'll be praised how much I can carry.
Yeah, well, you got like, what's that, 36 litre? 42 litre? The box.
Yeah,
Especially 30
and then the
litres
seat,
under
yeah.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
That's right, come on.
Probably carry more than us.
That's probably another 30 litres under there.
Lucky you won't got this box on the back of their bike.
No, I've got some panniers and stuff in my tent. But
I said to you to get a box, to be fair.
yeah.
Yeah, boxes fit on the nicely on the back of that.
You know what? I can tell you where the best place to go get box for that if you want.
Cheap or?
Huh?
Cheap.
Cumbran. Head chef with these boys.
I am tonight, look at it. I didn't
They're 10 in
volunteer.
the morning, they bud.
Somebody else can do breakfast.
Huh?
Somebody else can cook breakfast.
Lucky you didn't fucking go call in a chip shop on the way.
No, it'd be cold by now, wouldn't it?
Oh, wouldn't be fucking cold. Running down the fucking road back in the Brecon. Right, boys, take care, look after yourself.
Andrew, mate. Nice to meet you. And if you are coming up this way later on, just make sure all 4 bikes are still there for us, will you?
I fucking will, don't worry.
You're a good
I'll
man.
be fucking tempting when I come now, because I know you're up here.
Might get a sausage sandwich later if we see you.
Yeah, go on.
You should have done that when Richard was here, you can. Sorry, Richard, we can't move. Broken down.
No, because it started first time.
Time.